guys, I thought I'd do a quick video showing you how to look for all of these HUD homes. Well, number one question I get asked is, how do I find the properties that you are posting? So first off, you're going to go to HUDhomestore.com. That's right here, HUDhomestore.com. So once you do that, you'll be taken to this page here. This gives you kind of just the map of where all of the homes are. They're located in most states. To search for properties, you're going to click here, California, right? We're in California. If you're in a different state, choose your state. You can search by county, you can search by city, zip code. What I would recommend is search by county. So if you do, let's do Los Angeles County. Okay. And everything else you can leave blank. You click search, and it's going to populate the properties that are available for bidding in LA County. So currently there are 4 properties. You can see them. This one's in Newhall. We have Sherman Oaks, Bell, and Pomona. These 2 are new. All of these, well actually these last 2, since they are newer listings, they are listed as exclusive. That means that they're only available for owner occupants to bid on for now. These other ones, well, this one that's extended is now available for investor bids. So that's something to look out for if you are an investor. Make sure that you pay attention to that. So let's click on the case number for this Pomona property. And what you'll see is that it populates with pictures of the property. So you can scroll and get those. It gives you the address, bedroom, bathroom count, square footage, year built. If there's HOA, you'll see that listed here. Is it in a revitalization area? No. The lot size, when it was listed, so this one just came out yesterday. It's exclusive because it's only available for owner occupants. The period deadline, so it will be exclusive up until the 5th of February. After that, the property will be opened up to investor bids. So that's what that means. List price is $375. IE means that's insurable with escrow repair, which means that it does qualify for an FHA loan, but there are some repairs that are going to be probably requested by the lender if you're trying to sell this to an FHA buyer. Okay. What other things should you pay attention to? So bid submission deadline is 1/31. Submission time, so before all of the any bids are opened, you have 8 days, 7 hours to get your bid in. So that's something to keep in mind there. Okay, so bids are going to be due on 1/31 at 11:59 p.m. That's Central Time. Okay. Other things to look for: amenities, so parking, addendums. I recommend always to look up any addendums that are in here, and pay attention to, if you're new to selling these properties, pay attention to the broker handbook if you're an agent. What else is here? The disclosure PCR is what's going to tell you what kind of repairs are needed on the property. So if you are purchasing this home, the repairs that are required. So that looks like there's a 6x7 opening that needs a door. The roof is worn, so some inspection might be necessary. The lender might ask for a roof certification on that. There might be some plumbing issues here. You need to install a thermometer, install smoke detectors, and there's some peeling paint present on the property. So that's what items a lender might call out, okay, if you're going FHA. Other information, maps, so it tells you whereabouts it is. So this property is right off the 10 freeway and between San Antonio and Town Avenue. And if you have questions and want to reach out to the listing agent directly, you'll find their information here. This is the asset manager. So BLB Resources is the asset management company for these properties. And if you are showing the home and come across some preservation issues, so say somebody's broken in, there's broken windows, maybe there is a water leak or something, please let the agent know, but also give the field service manager a phone call. Okay, And that's it for now. This is how to look for properties on HUDhomestore.com.